Greetings everyone, this is David Moneyline Minute. We're here in Orlando, Florida, and we're talking to Carolina with TapeTech. We're going to have a nice discussion about wall preparation, drywall, and tools, and learn some things that I've had to learn, and you're going to learn too. How you doing, Carolina?
I'm pretty good, thank you. Thank you for this opportunity as well.
Thank you. We'll be right with you.
Thanks.
So folks, today we've got Carolina Garcia, who's sales manager with TapeTech, and we're going to learn a little bit more. Tell us about the company.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for the opportunity. TapeTech, we are the #1 brand in the industry. We have 44 years of history in the market. Actually, our founders were the ones that invented this category of tools back in 1939. The Ames brothers invented the bazooka, and that is a pattern name. That's what everybody refers to the automatic taper. They use the word of bazooka because our founders were the ones that invented. We're #1 in the industry. We sell over the world, 44 different countries. We have our dedicated team of training. We also have our in-house engineering department, so we're also innovating. Our quality is very high. We always bring the best products, and we're always looking for the needs of the customer, so we can always be improving and making sure everybody has what they need.
So Carolina, where do you reach various customers around the world or locally, U.S.?
Yes, U.S. So we have over 400 distributors in the U.S.
Okay.
And we sell over 44 different countries, and we're always looking to expand our territory for new markets. We go and train them. We always support them. We make sure that they get all the support they need. We all about training and education. That's very special for us.
Excellent.
We also work with the unions here in the United States.
Okay.
So that's very great. We are about education and training.
And how long have you been working with Sherwin-Williams?
We are being part of Sherwin-Williams for close to 20 years now.
Wow, that's excellent.
Yes.
And any advice that you can give us on preparing a wall that we know nothing about? What level of wall preparation does the average person need?
Okay, so what I will say is that when you use the tools, you go 3 times faster than doing it by hand. It's a 300% of efficiency. So you're winning on time. That means money as well, and it's all the results. The tools come pre-calibrated from a factory, so the results are consistent and professional all the time. So you can have multiple guys, you can have a big crew having to work in different rooms or different levels, and the results are consistent. That's the #1 benefit of our tools.
What I love is hearing about the focus on quality that you have.
Absolutely, that's what we're all about. We're innovating, it's quality, we bring the best. We're #1 in the industry for 44 years.
Awesome.
And that's for a reason.
And you manufacture your tools stateside?
Yes, we are in Suwanee, Georgia.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Well, thank you for taking the time with us, Carolina.
Absolutely.
And we'll look forward to seeing you at the next show.
Sounds good.
And you have yourself a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you, guys.